Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a cryptocurrency called Newton. I've been getting a lot of questions about this coin lately, so I thought it would be a good idea to do a video on it. Before I get into the details of Newton, I want to start by asking you a question. What is the most important thing to you when you're looking for a cryptocurrency to invest in? Is it the price? The technology? The community? I think that all of these things are important, but the most important thing is the potential for growth. Newton is a cryptocurrency that has a lot of potential for growth. It's a new coin, and it's already being used by a number of businesses and organizations. In this video, I'm going to discuss the following. What is Newton? What are the benefits of using Newton? How can you buy Newton? What is the future of Newton? What is Newton? Newton is a new cryptocurrency that was launched in 2021. It is based on the Ethereum blockchain and uses the proof of work, POW, consensus algorithm. Newton is a decentralized digital currency that can be used to purchase goods and services online. It is also a good investment opportunity, as it has the potential to grow in value over time. What are the benefits of using Newton? There are a number of benefits to using Newton. One of the biggest benefits is that it is a decentralized currency. This means that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. This makes it a more secure and reliable currency than traditional fiat currencies. Another benefit of using Newton is that it is a very efficient currency. Transactions are processed quickly and cheaply. This makes it a good choice for businesses that need to make a lot of transactions. Newton is also a very versatile currency. It can be used to purchase a variety of goods and services, including online shopping, travel, and education. How can you buy Newton? There are a number of ways to buy Newton. You can buy it on a cryptocurrency exchange, such as Coinbase or Binance. You can also buy it directly from the Newton Foundation. What is the future of Newton? The future of Newton is bright. The coin has a lot of potential, and it is being used by a number of businesses and organizations. I believe that Newton has the potential to become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world. I hope this video has given you a good overview of Newton. If you are looking for a new cryptocurrency to invest in, I highly recommend considering Newton. If you have any questions about Newton, please leave a comment below. I will be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching. With that said, thanks for watching this video on Newton. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on cryptocurrency. See you next time.